Hello! My name is Peter. Today, my family and I are in New York City.
We arrived this morning. We are staying at a big hotel near Times Square.
He has never seen anything like this before.
Peter, please hold this bag. Do not move. We will be back in 1 minute.
I have the package. I'll wait right here. Wow. Look at all these toys. I want that train. He takes one small step, then another step, just to look. Only for a second. Wow. That is the best toy I have ever seen. Dad? Mom? Where are you? Mom! Dad always says, never give up.
Dad always said, Peter, if you are ever lost, stay calm, find a safe place, ask for help.
Okay. Stay calm. Think. What did Dad say? Where is it? What's it called? It started with a B. Or maybe an R? Grand Hotel. That is our hotel. I remember the sign. I must be careful. I have to find the right street.
Oh. Hello, young man. Are you okay?
I am a little lost, sir, but I think I know where my hotel is.
It is called Grand Hotel. Good boy. Go straight, then turn left. You will see it.
Thank you, sir. 1, 2. Then he turns left. And there it is, the Grand Hotel. Peter's heart jumps with happiness.
Welcome to the Grand Hotel. Wow, it's amazing in here.
The lobby is big and quiet. It smells nice. I feel safe now. Excuse me, my name is Peter. My family is staying here. All right, Peter, let's check you in. Yes, room 408. Your family is looking for you right now. Wow, thanks. Floor 4, please. Thank you. We're here.
406, 407, 408.
Peter, Mom. Oh, Peter. Mom.
I've got you, Peter.
Thanks, Mom.
Peter! Thank goodness!
Dad.
You're here!
I missed you both so much.
Daddy's home.
You're here.
Peter, I need to talk to you. What happened today was very dangerous.
I am sorry, Dad. I saw a toy. I forgot your instructions. I am really sorry.
It's okay, Peter. I am proud of you, Peter. You stayed calm. You asked for help. You were very brave.
I remembered what you told me, Dad. Stay calm. Find a safe place. Ask for help.
This pizza is so good.
Yeah.
Look at all the toppings.
Remember that funny thing we did today? Oh yeah, that was hilarious.
The city lights are beautiful tonight. It was a good day. One small mistake caused a big problem. I must always listen to my parents.
Good night, brave boy.
Time to start the day in New York City.
Today will be a great day. You're doing great, Peter.
I'm not letting go.
You remember this shop, don't you?
Yeah,
But you know we can't stop this time.
I know. I learned my lesson. Let's go. Today's word, lost. I was lost in Times Square, says Peter. Next word, C-A-L-M. Stay calm means do not panic. Take a deep breath.
Help.
Help. If you need help, find a police officer or a safe person.
Word. L-O-B-Y. The lobby is the big entrance room of a hotel.
The front desk is where hotel staff help guests. Last word, B-R-A-V-E. Being brave means staying calm when you are scared. New York City is big and exciting. But now Peter knows Paw. Family is the most important thing.
Thank you for watching. Did you enjoy Peter's story today? Tell me in the comments. See you next time.
Practice these words today. Lost, calm, help, laba, front desk, brave. Say them slowly.
If you liked this story, please click the like button. It helps us a lot. Thank you.
Watch our next story here. Another English adventure is waiting for you.
Subscribe to Glow Tots Nursery Rhymes for more slow English stories every week.
Remember, practice English a little every day. Small steps make big progress.
See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye. Peter learned something important today. Ho, always listen, stay calm, and ask for help.